Eaton's Quick Connect generator switch provides a safe, convenient means of connecting a portable generator and disconnecting from the utility grid. It is applicable for new installations up to 800 amps and for existing buildings with more than one main disconnect. In these instances, the Quick Connect generator switch serves as the service entrance switch, the generator switch, and the connection point. For existing services with one main disconnect and space to connect an additional circuit in the main switchgear, the Eaton Quick Connect safety switch with trapped key interlock can offer a simple installation with all of the safety of the generator switch. Eaton's new line of generator switches is the electrical industry's best alternative for safe connection and operation of portable generators available today.